Good morning, you guys. It is I, Chef Naomi. So I know you guys haven't seen me for a while. I apologize. I have been busy trying to get the order of the group happening here. And I apologize. But I wanted to share with you guys today some breakfast stuff. So I just quickly whipped up some steel cut oats for my two boys here. This is the one I used, Rogers Porridge Oats Steel Cut Oat Blend. So it has all kind of stuff here. The directions on the back of the bag say to use 1 cup to 3 cups of water. I did kind of roughly that, not really fully 1 to 3 ratio. I did 2.5 cups of oats to 4.5 cups of water. So I was actually under the water amount suggested. Here is how it came out. What I did, which I'm going to just briefly show you guys, was, you see it's still on keep warm. I put my pot on to saute. I added my 2.5 cups of steel oats into the pot. I toasted it for about 10 minutes. So just leave it in the pot on saute, and you can smell a nice toasty aroma coming from your pot. I did not add any oil or anything else to it, just dry steel cut oats. Again, those who are joining, this is the one I used. Sorry, I have like some of my dinner stuff prep going on here, and also the stuff to put in. So here I added, as I said, about 4.5 cups of water to 2.5 cups of steel cut oats. I also added some dry buckwheat kernels. I am using Rogers brand as well. Or no, actually Bob's Red Mill. Sorry, Bob's Red Mill brand of buckwheat kernels. So I put that along with cinnamon and ginger and some raisins. I put about, I would say 1/4 cup of raisins in here. And then I put it on manual. My pot does have manual here. I mean, saute, sorry. I put it on saute and let it toast for about 10 minutes, okay? And then added my water to it, covered my pot, pushed manual. So I pushed end here and then manual. And then